welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve these luscious wand curls. I'll be using this wand, and I believe you can get this one at Target and Walmart as well. You will be also needing a clip to section out the hair and a comb as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. The first thing you will do is grab a small amount of hair, and you will be wanding going away from your face. You will be doing that for all of the hair as you keep going. I had a glove that came with the wand but lost it. So to be on the safe side, you might want to use a glove while wanding the hair to not get burned. So I will fast forward to show you guys the finished product. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
Baby, just be comfortable.